Hello, fam. I just wanted to quickly tell you about certain things that I've noticed today. It's like every day I notice something new and I have a bomb blast in my brain. But today I just really understood that, not everybody is really on this path. This path that I think I've chosen for myself. Not I think I've chosen for myself, I have chosen it for myself. But not everybody is on the path, and even when somebody is on the same path of self discovery or spirituality, as you might say, they they may not be as crazy as you, because for example, I think I'm extremely mad for doing this. I want to look into my fear, I want to look at my triggers, and I want to go till the complete root of it. And not everybody wants to do that. I knew I was a very different kid while growing up. I was a loner. I was not the regular kid, but I thought it would be easier after you grow up. I mean, a certain kind of relatability would have been there, but turns out it's just not there all the time. And now I have come to feel that all this while I was taking things so personally. I was not now, but I remember the last few times I suffered so much. I was only doing it because I was so attached to a projection. I was attached to a projection that somebody else was projecting onto me, and I don't even know where the origin of that projection from the other person even was. That's the thing about projections. We never try and analyze where is that projection coming from. And it also makes me feel that why aren't people more like this? I mean, why are you not trying to find out about why you don't do certain things, or why you do certain things? And why don't you want to look into your traumas? Why don't you want to look into your triggers? Why don't you want to look into what makes you tick? And again, I realize not everybody has Scorpio 12th house placements, okay? It is just me. Period. I know it's just not me. I know there are people like me. But it makes it so difficult for me to go and mix or with people. It's not even about mixing or mingling as much as it's about can they really understand what I'm saying. That's all. Sometimes that is all that one is looking for. Recently I've been kind of reconnecting, and I've realized that people just dodge one trauma from the other trauma. Nobody is ready to sit down and be like, let me figure this shit out so I don't suffer in this same way again. Like, and the only reason I keep telling people go deeper, analyze it more, it's because the minute you go deeper and you uproot it, you become a new person, not just on a physical level. You're doing that on a subconscious level, and when you do that on a subconscious level, and when you are consciously doing at the subconscious level, I know it's like an oxymoron, then everything falls into place. I truly feel that. I truly know that because I've done it. I just really wished people were more open to exploring themselves more. Ain't nothing there in the world except you. Good night, fam. I love you.